In a factory powered by roaring heat and steel precision, mountains of peanuts cascade from towering silos like a golden waterfall. Giant roasting drums glow red, spinning thousands of pounds of nuts every hour. Steel blades whirl at unbelievable speed, grinding roasted peanuts into a silky, creamy stream that pours into massive stainless steel tanks. This isn't a kitchen. This is industrial food engineering on a massive scale. Inside this giant American factory, millions of jars of peanut butter are made every single week. Today we're stepping behind the scenes to uncover the science, the machinery, and the astonishing scale behind one of America's most beloved spreads. This sprawling facility stretches farther than the eye can see. From the outside, it looks like an airport terminal. Long corridors, massive ventilation stacks, and entire buildings dedicated to roasting, grinding, and bottling. Inside, over 1,000 workers and countless robotic systems run a production line that never stops. Peanut butter is a staple in nearly every American household, and demand is relentless. That means the factory must operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, producing jar after jar with perfect consistency. Every room, machine, and conveyor belt plays a precise role in the journey from raw peanuts to the creamy or crunchy spread we know so well.
Seeks state-of-the-art process utilized by leading brands. Our technology ensures unparalleled quality and reliability in every jar.
The story begins hundreds of miles away, on peanut farms across Georgia, Alabama, and Texas, America's peanut heartland. As harvest season arrives, specialized machines called digger shakers pull entire peanut plants from the soil, flip them over, and leave them to dry under the sun for up to 3 days. Once the moisture drops to the ideal level, giant tractors sweep them into windrows before they're collected and loaded onto trucks. At the processing centers, peanuts are cleaned, sorted, and tested before being delivered to the factory. Most are runner peanuts, prized for their size, flavor, and uniformity, critical traits for peanut butter production.
We emphasize their quality, explaining why this specific type is chosen for its consistent characteristics.
Peanuts arrive at the factory, they go through rigorous inspection. Conveyor belts feed the nuts into high-speed optical sorters equipped with laser sensors that detect color differences too subtle for the human eye. Any peanut that shows signs of mold, discoloration, or deformity is instantly removed. Advanced sorting machines vibrate, sift, and blow away dust, stones, and foreign materials. In a dedicated lab, technicians test for aflatoxins, naturally occurring compounds that must be kept below strict safety limits. Only the highest quality peanuts earn approval to enter the production line.
The entire air cleaning system, a tunnel of precise blasts, ensuring every single peanut is thoroughly purified before.
The clean peanuts now move into the roasting chamber, the heart of peanut butter flavor. Here, massive industrial roasters blast the nuts with heat reaching 170 to 190 degrees Celsius. Rotating drums keep the peanuts tumbling so every surface darkens evenly. The scent in this group is unmistakable, rich, sweet, and warm. During roasting, natural sugars caramelize, and the Maillard reaction develops the unmistakable aroma of freshly roasted peanuts. Sensors measure heat and air moisture dozens of times per second to ensure perfect roasting. After 20 to 25 minutes, the peanuts emerge golden brown, incredibly fragrant and ready for transformation. Fresh from the roaster, the peanuts are scorching hot. To preserve freshness and prevent over-roasting, they travel onto cooling conveyors where chilled air blows across them. As they cool, high-speed rubbing machines break off the thin outer skins. Cyclone vacuum systems pull the skins upward and away, leaving behind clean, smooth peanuts with intensified flavor. The removed skins don't go to waste, they're repurposed as animal feed. At this point, the peanuts are in perfect condition for grinding. The roasted peanuts drop into a primary grinder, a powerful steel machine equipped with heavy-duty rotating plates. As the nuts pass through, they are crushed into a thick, coarse paste. It's warm, aromatic, and dense. Technicians measure viscosity and temperature to ensure the paste flows correctly through the next stage. This first grind breaks the peanuts down, but doesn't yet deliver the silky smooth texture Americans expect. That transformation comes next. The peanut paste now enters a colloid mill, a high-speed grinder that spins at thousands of revolutions per minute. Inside, the peanuts are sheared and crushed again and again until the particles become microscopic. Heat generated during this process softens the natural oils, turning the mixture velvety and shiny. Engineers monitor the mill closely. The goal is a texture so smooth it measures less than 20 microns, finer than a strand of hair. As the paste flows out, it glistens like liquid caramel. This is the signature creamy peanut butter Americans love.
This is where the magic happens.
Before bottling, the factory adds key ingredients depending on the product. In giant stainless steel mixing vats, small amounts of salt, sugar, and vegetable oil are blended into the peanut butter to enhance flavor and prevent oil separation on the shelf. The mixing arms rotate slowly but powerfully, keeping the texture uniform from top to bottom. For natural peanut butter, fewer ingredients are added, but the mixing must remain precise. Every batch is scanned with sensors to verify perfect consistency, color, and flavor before moving on. For crunchy peanut butter, a separate machine prepares roasted peanut pieces. Whole peanuts are cracked into large chunks, screened for size, and gently folded back into the creamy mixture. Automated dosing systems ensure each jar has the exact amount of crunch. Too much, and the mixture becomes dry. Too little, and customers notice instantly. The challenge is mixing evenly without crushing the chunks. Specialized paddles stir slowly to preserve every crunchy bite. guarantee food safety, the peanut butter flows through a heated stainless steel pipeline, where it is pasteurized at approximately 90 to 95 degrees Celsius. The system holds the mixture at this temperature just long enough to eliminate harmful microbes while preserving flavor and texture. Sensors check temperature and flow rate constantly. After pasteurization, the peanut butter is rapidly cooled to maintain freshness before it reaches the filling line.
This is the holding tube section, where the peanut butter is maintained at a precise temperature for 45 to 60 seconds, eliminating harmful bacteria.
Now comes one of the most mesmerizing stages, filling the jars. Hundreds of empty plastic jars move along the conveyor at incredible speed. Precision nozzles dispense the perfect amount of peanut butter into each one, filling them while the mixture is still warm and fluid. High-speed cameras inspect each jar to confirm correct fill levels. Any jar that's underfilled or overfilled is instantly pushed aside. The rest continues smoothly towards sealing. Caps spin into place as automated capping machines twist them onto the jars with exact torque. A burst of heat then seals a protective film across the jar's mouth, ensuring freshness and tamper protection. Next, X-ray scanners inspect each jar for any irregularities. Only products that pass every check move forward. At this point, the jars are airtight, shelf-stable, and ready for labeling. Labels wrap around the jars at high speed, each one printed with nutritional information, batch codes, and expiration dates. Robotic arms organize the jars into groups and lower them into cardboard boxes. The boxes are sealed, taped, and stacked onto massive wooden pallets. Every pallet carries up to 2,000 jars. Automated forklifts move them to climate-controlled warehouses. Here, they wait for nationwide distribution. Trucks carry peanut butter across the United States, headed to grocery stores, school cafeterias, and millions of homes. What began as peanuts growing in southern fields has now become one of America's most iconic foods. Creamy or crunchy, sweet or salted, peanut butter is more than a spread. It's a symbol of American comfort. And now you've seen the entire journey, from farm to factory to jar. This is how peanut butter is made inside a giant factory.